ShortAlgo here, and today we are looking at stock ticker OCGN, that's Ocugen Incorporated, on the 30-minute chart. Before we dive into the ticker, we're going to look at some of the calls that we did today, which was OCGN. We said that it was going to have a short squeeze at $8, and we mentioned that it was going to pass the $10 mark. And it did. It actually ended up running 32%, I think a little bit more than that, 50% or so. But then we saw that the resistance line was holding strong and it was going to push down. So we made a short call on it. It dropped 15.81%. Then we looked at Lakes. That's L-A-I-X. That was a short signal, a short call that we made on that. It dropped 28.49%. HTDX. We mentioned that there was going to be a short squeeze. It jumped up 22%, and then we made a short call on it. That ended up dropping 22.74%. AAME, short call, 19.65% down. BSQR, we saw a trend with these ultra bull signals, which gives you insights into how the market makers are trading, and that ended up squeezing really hard up to 88.99% up. And then CCNC, which we made a bearish call, and that dropped 15.92%. Now let's jump into the chart. So when we're trading on these securities, we're basically looking at the historical to figure out if there is a pattern on the stocks. In this particular security, we're looking at the 30-minute chart. And you can see our buy and ultra bull signals firing here on the bottom of the chart. When we got the alert for the ultra bull signal, that was at a high of 51 cents. Then that ended up driving all the way up to $3.05. We received the short signal at a low of $2.13. That ended up driving all the way down to $1.61. Now let's fast forward and see what went on. Then we got an ultra bull signal, and in the ultra bull signal, that fired at a high of $4, and that ended up running all the way through to $4.65. Then we received a short signal at a low of $2.46, and ended up going all the way down to a low of $1.99. Then we got this ultra bull signal, and this ultra bull signal, when we received it, that was at a high of $3.73. And again, we're just following the signals, the buy, the short, the ultra bull, and the ultra bear. And from there, we saw another ultra bull signal at a high of $5.90, and then that ended up going all the way up to $18.77. Then we received our short signal at a low of $14.05, and that ended up dropping down to a low of $11.21. So that is how we use the UltraAlgo for our trading, and it gives you a better idea of how we look for patterns. So usually what we find is that the patterns that occurred in the past, especially with these jumps, tend to repeat over and over again. So we're just using the signals to improve our overall trading. This is looking at the 30-minute chart, but you also have the possibility to look at more tight time frames, like the 1 minute all the way down to the seconds if you'd like. Thank you for watching the technical video. If you're interested in improving your overall trading strategy, we recommend you start a 7-day free trial with ShortAlgo. This tool is designed to help traders easily identify buy and short opportunities across securities listed across all major exchanges. This includes the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, OTC, CBOE. Now, it's also available for Forex and cryptocurrency if that's part of your strategy. Start a 7-day free trial at shortalgo.com.